Hello friends, welcome to my second video on Kotlin programming series. In this video, we are going to learn the software installation required for the development of Kotlin programming. As discussed previously, Kotlin is based on JVM. That means it needs Java Virtual Machine to run and execute its program. So it's obvious that Java environment is required for Kotlin, and that is Java JDK is required. So this JDK stands for Java Development Kit. And the second requirement for Kotlin programming is integrated development environment, that is IDE. So we will see both these things one by one. So let's start with Java installation. Kotlin needs JDK 1.6 or more, and we can download this JDK from Oracle's official site, that is oracle.com. At the time of this recording, current Java version is 1.8, and throughout this course we will use JDK 1.8. Before installing the JDK, that is Java Development Kit, we need to check two things. First one is the operating system on which we are going to write the program, and the system type, that is whether system is of 32-bit or 64-bit, and based on this we will install the JDK. That means if you are running on a Windows machine and if it is of a 32-bit, then we have to download the JDK of Windows 32-bit, and this can be downloaded from Oracle's official website. The link to download the JDK is mentioned in this video description. The second thing is integrated development environment. IDE means where we are actually going to write the Kotlin code. There are many popular IDEs for Java development, and all of them can be used to write Kotlin code. But the very popular IDE for Kotlin programming is Intellij IDEA. This idea is developed by the JetBrains company, and this JetBrains company, as we know, have developed the Kotlin. That is, Intellij IDEA and Kotlin are both developed by JetBrains, and Kotlin plugin required for Kotlin programming is bundled with this IDE. Intellij IDEA comes with two types of licenses. The one is Ultimate Edition, which is paid. We can have a 1 month free trial of this Ultimate Edition, and second type license is Community Edition, which is free and open source. And for this series we are going to use the Community Edition license type. So download the Intellij IDEA Community Edition from JetBrains official website, that is jetbrains.org. The link to download can be found in the video description. Once we download the Intellij IDEA, install it, and we are done with the IDE setup, we can start writing the Kotlin programs. Apart from Intellij IDEA, most of the Java developers use the Eclipse for Java development purpose. So this Eclipse IDE can be used for Kotlin programming. Download the most recent version of Eclipse, and at the time of recording this video, Eclipse Oxygen is the recent version. Download it, install it. Once the installation is completed, we have to manually add Kotlin plugin required for Eclipse, and this Kotlin plugin for Eclipse can be downloaded from Eclipse Marketplace, and the link to download for which is mentioned in the video description. So all the links required for JDK setup, for Intellij IDE Community Edition setup, the Eclipse download, and Eclipse Kotlin plugin are mentioned into the video description. The next point, if you are an Android developer and you want to develop Android application based on Kotlin language, then you have to install Android Studio and Android SDK. Yes, Java is required for Android application development, and we have already seen how to install the Java. Then install Android Studio and Android SDK. Both of these things can be downloaded from developer.android.com. The link for this download can be also found in the video description. The Kotlin plugin required for Android application development is bundled into Android Studio versions greater than 3.0, and at the time of this recording, most recent version of Android Studio is 3.0.1. If your Android Studio version is less than 3.0, you have to add Kotlin plugin manually. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.